Here's how you turn in your 3D balloon-powered car. So right now I'm looking at the complete balloon car assembly. This thing is done. Looks great. Nice job. So I can go ahead and export and choose everything in this design. Send it out as an STL. The file will be called POTS Complete Balloon Car Assembly. Now, if I were to 3D print this, I need to take each piece off and export them separately. So this one, I'm going to change the name to wheel export, and then I need to choose just this selected shape. Send that out as an STL. I need to send out the body, so I'm going to change the file name to body and make sure that I'm just getting this shape. Export as an STL. And then I need to export the axle, so just get that axle, change the file name to axle, AXLE, export. Make sure it's just the selected shape. If it says everything and you can't click on it, oops, try again, close that. Let's go back and get that axle. Think that I can do it. Export the selected shape, STL. Now we've exported the complete assembly, the wheel, the body, and the axle, and we're going to turn in all 4 of those things for credit. So go back to Canvas, click on your assignments, click on the balloon car. Here it is. Click Submit. Choose File. Those all went into your Downloads folder. So there's my axle. Shows me a little preview. Open. Add another file. Choose File. Turn in the body. Open. Add another file. Choose File. Include the wheel. Add another file. Choose File. And turn in the complete balloon car assembly. Once you've added all 4 of those files, submit, and you are done. Thanks guys, hope this helps.